In front of me is Umidigi A3, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer and go to your keypad. And let me start with the longest code, which is *###, 4636 ###. Just wait a couple of seconds. It should redirect us within a couple of seconds, so here it is. And this code allows you to open phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. To reach those info, you need to mark the particular switcher, and for example, under phone info, you will be able to check phone number, current network, sign-on strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, email number, and so on. You can also run a ping test here. To do it, just tap on this switcher, and over here you've got it. So let me go back. Then under user statistics, you can read detailed information regarding your apps, and then under Wi-Fi information, you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So smoothly click on each of them, and then you will be able to read some further details. So here it is. Wi-Fi status panel would also allow you to run a ping test. And obviously to check the stats, just tap here to refresh the current status of your network. And this is it, that will be all. Another code that you can use is the one that will open email number, the unique number assigned to your Umidigi A3, and code is *##, 06#. And here you got email numbers assigned to your Umidigi. Smoothly enter this code, and then you will be provided with details. Tap on OK then. And another code that you can use is diagnostic mode. And to reach FCM diagnostics, just enter *##, 426 *##. And here we've got Google Play services where you can check events and also status. And if you'd like to open advanced view, just mark more icon and select advanced view. And here it is. So this is it. Let's go back. And the last code that I would like to share with you today is *##, 225 *##. And here we've got the calendar info, so if you enter this code, you will be able to check all events, all celebrations, or anything you've got written in your calendar, so no need to scroll through all days. Smoothly enter this code, and then you will be aware of all upcoming events. And this is it. That will be all codes that I want to share with you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.